Hi, I'm Anthony, the Chief of Staff at the Appliance Doctors. Do you own a General Electric appliance, a monogram, a profile? Do you reside in Westchester County? Well, I got great news for you because the Appliance Doctor has 8 technicians in Westchester County. And I got better news for you. About 3 years ago, I said to myself, what could I do to give my customers better service on their GE products? So I went out and I found an ex-General Electric trainer. His name is Richie Sedlak. He was responsible for training for General Electric all up and down the East Coast. So now Mr. Sedlak comes into my office 3 times a year and for the last 3 years and trains my technicians on the new products and the old products that General Electric has out there. And so what does that do? That allows my servicemen to give you, the customer, my customer, better service. And that's what it's all about. So if you have a General Electric appliance, I hope you have the confidence in the Appliance Doctors. We've been here for 32 years. I started the company when I was 21 years old, and I'm still here, and you can figure out my age from that. But I just want to tell you, my passion is still there to service my customers. And that's the key. I still have the passion to service you. So if you need service on your appliance, on your General Electric appliance, or if you have any other brand, Maytag, Whirlpool, Bosch, Thermador, any brand, please have the confidence to call the Appliance Doctors at 1-800-339-0353. You can go online at the Appliance Doctor X and the doctor spelled out, and get my free special report I put together for the consumers. It's a special report on the 7 secrets that you should know before you call any appliance company. And after you read that report, I hope you have the confidence to call the Appliance Doctors and let them know Anthony, the Chief of Staff, told you to call. Again, have a beautiful day.